Before you start, make sure your device is running macOS 11.0 or later. First, go to our official website, X-VPN.io, and open the macOS download page. Click the download button to get the DMG file and complete the installation. Before opening the app, go to System Settings and open Privacy and Security. Then allow applications from the App Store and known developers. You can also get X-VPN directly from the App Store. After installation, open X-VPN. Tap Continue to get your X-VPN Premium account or sign in. Or just return for free servers with no registration required and unlimited data. Click the Connect button and you're ready to enjoy secure online browsing. Before connecting, you can also go to Protocol under Settings and manually select our self-developed Everest Protocol or other open-source protocols. X-VPN offers over 10,000 servers across 80 countries for security, streaming, unblocking, and gaming. Powerful security tools like browser protection, ad blocker, and dark web monitor give you a safer and cleaner online experience. Learn more about all the features we offer on our website's features page at xvpn.io. Get started now and enjoy a safer, faster, and more private online experience with X-VPN.